In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix SSL not working in Cloudflare. If your site is showing not secure, bouncing between HTTP and HTTPS, or throwing SSL errors after moving to Cloudflare, these settings will usually get you back to a valid padlock. Start by signing in to your Cloudflare dashboard. From the main screen, go to the domains area, then open the domain where SSL isn't working. Everything will change applies only to that specific site. Next, open the SSL TLS section in the left menu. Inside SSL TLS, go to the Edge Certificates tab. This is where Cloudflare manages certificates at the edge, which is what visitors connect to first. Find the setting called Always Use HTTPS and turn it on. This forces all visitors to use secure URLs, automatically redirecting any HTTP requests to HTTPS. Turning this on helps eliminate mixed access patterns and avoids users landing on the insecure version of your site. If you've had a redirect loop before, this toggle is often the missing piece. Now go back to the SSL TLS Overview tab. Here, check the SSL TLS encryption mode and set it to full, not full, strict. Full encrypts traffic between Cloudflare and your origin server, but doesn't require a fully valid certificate on the origin. That makes it more forgiving if your origin has a self-signed, expired, or missing certificate. Full strict is great when your origin has a properly installed unexpired certificate that matches the host name. However, if that's not in place, full strict will cause handshake errors. So choose full here to restore access, and once your origin certificate is valid and trusted, you can come back and switch to full strict for maximum security. With SSL settings saved, head to the caching section for your domain. Open configuration, then select Purge Everything. When prompted, confirm by clicking Purge Everything again. This clears Cloudflare's cache content and old redirects so visitors get the latest SSL behavior immediately. It doesn't delete anything from your server, it simply forces Cloudflare to fetch fresh content. Give these changes a minute to propagate, then test your site by visiting it over HTTPS in a new browser tab or an incognito window. If the page now loads securely without errors, you're all set. If issues persist, double-check your origin certificate status and any hard-coded HTTP URLs in your site's content. That's it. By enabling Always Use HTTPS, setting the SSL TLS mode to full, and purging the cache, you've addressed the most common causes of SSL not working in Cloudflare.